Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your WhatsApp avatar. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, we will need just to go to our WhatsApp settings. So basically open WhatsApp and here in the toolbar at the bottom, we will find updates, call, communities, and chat, etc. We need just to click on settings and from here in this menu, we can see below the profile picture avatar. And from the avatar, you will need just to click on create your avatar and then we will need just to follow the process of the creation. So we click on create your avatar, you click on get started. If you have already some avatar to take with your photo, so basically we need just to create manually and from here you will need just to choose the skin tone and basically you can make it into anything that you would like, click next, or you can just use the camera so it can give you some kind of the shape of your face, etc. You choose your hairstyle, etc. You click next to choose the color and just follow the process of the avatar creation. So I'm just going to click next here and from here next you choose the face shape, the width, etc. I will just like make it narrow or whatever, like you can choose whatever you like. You give it an outfit and after that you will need just to click on done or you can click on more personalization so you can have more editing on your avatar. After that you will need just to click save and at the end you will need click on next so you can have your avatar that has been fully created and you can start using it now. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.